like you don't care. I never get an answer, so tell me what I'm missing. I'm beginning to get the feeling that you just don't wanna listen. Now I've always been a good person with a good heart, so why's my life gotta be so damn hard? When things go wrong, I'm just saying, nah, this can't be. Why is it every time that the odds are stacked against me? What's the point of suffering if there's no reward? How come I never seem to get the things I'm working towards? What the hell we working for? Making money is a lie, because there's no way to take it with you when you're about to die. But I still keep trying, even though it won't help. Don't tell me all this damn time I've been talking to myself. I've lost all hope, my time's running out, so it'd be a good time to show up right about now. Dear God, won't you please help me? I finally realize what other people can't see. They say love is blind and in life you die alone, so everything you do, you gotta do it on your own. Dear God, won't you tell me all your reasons? There's people out there starving, tell me how they supposed to be believing. The rich get richer and the poor is getting poorer. We all pray to you, but all you do is ignore us. Dear God, how much more do I gotta take before you decide to finally give me a fair shake? I had a love once, it turned out to be fake. Why do people like me never seem to catch a break? It's like the worst kinds of things happen at the wrong times. You make it to the front, but you're at the wrong line. Make the wrong decisions and they'll never be right. That means you'll always have to live with it for the rest of your life. I ain't afraid of death, can't buy what you sell, cause life to me has already been a living hell. This world is full of evil, the bad outweighs the good. Got me thinking if you're helping me as much as you could. Truth is you don't exist, the undeniable truth. When people figure it out, they'll stop believing in you. I've had my doubts, now I finally know why. I'll talk to myself next time I close my eyes. Dear God, won't you please help me? I finally realize what other people can't see. They say love is blind and in life you die alone, so everything you do, you gotta do it on your own. Dear God, won't you tell me all your reasons?